After registering with USGS in EarthExplorer, you will get an email asking you to confirm your registration. So now this is my email. Once you click and open, it says this reply will be sent to an unmonitored email address. If you do not require help, if you do require help, please well send the email to CUSTSEVSERV at usgs.gov. That's cost serve at usgs.gov. But that's not what I'm looking for. It says to complete this the registration process, you must click the link below to confirm and activate your account. That was why we're running into issues initially when we're trying to kind of log in without confirmation. So click on the link, and now it said registration confirmation. Enter your username to confirm your account. So my username is, what was that again? Really? Onyeka 40. That was my username, but let me confirm again. Given the fact that I saved, and say go into EarthExplorer, log in, automatically, yes, that's it. Onyeka 40. So I got that right. So you go back here, Onyeka 40, that's my username, submit. And now it said user successfully confirmed. Now I can now log in without issues. So click on the login. You don't need to click on login now because you're already in the login window. I have my username there, the password there, based on the fact that I saved it with my Google accounts. Signing is the thing to do. And yes, as you can see now, I'm signed in. My name is there. My username is there. Of course, you won't see my password so that you won't go to my account and start doing some crazy things. So my password is mine. Okay, having done that, you now want to kind of start talking about how to download the data or how to just browse through the data and see what's available and what's not available. Once you sign in, it takes you to your account info. So you have to open a new tab, then search for EarthExplorer again. I need to find a way to go around this. So when you search for EarthExplorer again, you're already logged in because you can now see my login is there. I can't log in. I'll have to log out, but this is my account name. So now I'm in. So apparently when you sign in, it takes you to your page. Then you open a different tab, enter EarthExplorer again, and then it takes you directly to where you want to kind of download the information that you need. So, that's interesting. So now that you're here, this is where you want to be. You want to get the information that you need to uh, run your analysis. I'll stop this tutorial for now and then subsequently start up again because I don't want it to be too long. So we'll meet in the next tutorial.